Welcome back to our pro coating real world video test. If you haven't seen the first two videos, you're behind, and go in the description below and check those out first. It has been 2 months since we applied 16 different coatings on this Honda Accord. In this video today, we're gonna check the water behavior, see how everything is performing, and then we're gonna actually show you how to maintain your ceramic coating. And if you're driving your car, hopefully you are, you're gonna run into road contaminants, tar, sap, bugs, all kinds of salt and dirt on the road. And if you're not maintaining it properly, the coating is not gonna last as long as it should. So we're gonna go over that and show you how to do that. But first, we have to wash the car. What are you talking about? My car is not even coated. Look at how flat it is. It's not even working. You just saw how flat the water behavior was before we washed the car. This is a perfect example of surface contaminants interfering with the coating. Things like dirt, sand, salt, and some road grime will come off with regular washing, but other things like sap, tar, ferrous metal particles, they do not come off with normal washing and will need further action.
We are efficient.
All right, if you'll notice how the sides of the car, they're performing a little better than the top panels. This is because of contamination sitting on the surface. So let's show you the first step in actually removing this contamination. All right, so the first step to the maintenance, we're actually gonna use an iron remover, and I do recommend use whatever brand of coating that you use. It should have a specific iron remover or soap or water spot remover. I normally recommend using the brand, whatever you used to coat the car. This is a little bit different. We have 16 different coatings. I'm not gonna go to each panel and use individual ones. I'm actually gonna use a brand neutral iron remover. The main ingredient in an iron remover is ammonium thioglycolate. They are pretty much the same in all iron removers, so I would just say just go ahead and pick one. We're gonna start by spraying a nice layer on the surface and let it sit for a couple minutes. I actually like to wash it again while it's on there. This car lives its life outside 24/7. It gets driven, it gets dirty with road grime and tar and other contaminants. If these contaminants start to build up on the surface, it's going to interfere with how the coating performs. So using chemicals to dissolve these particles that sit on the surface is going to be required. The iron remover dissolves metal particles like brake dust and rail dust, and depending on how often you drive your car and where you park it, you may need to do this step every 2 to 6 months. This time we did not use a tar or a water spot remover, but those will also be used as necessary. Now you can take a look at the hood and how much better it is beating water after the use of an iron remover. Now we're going to show you the extra steps to maintaining each of these individual coatings. These are recommendations by the manufacturer to achieve the best performance. Modesta BCO5. After you've completed your wash and the maintenance, while the car is still wet, you're going to spray Modesta M4 Smoke onto the surface and then agitate with a clean microfiber wash mitt or towel. Once the whole vehicle has been sprayed and then wiped, you can then rinse it off. M4 Smoke is not an additive to the surface. It's specifically a deep cleaner for the structure of the coating. It's called polymer on polymer pollution removal. This process is done as a preventative maintenance regardless of the coating behavior. If the coating is not being maintained properly or has declined in water behavior, it might take a second round of M4 to properly clean the coating structure and reveal the water behavior. After the car has been dried properly, Modesta M2 Blast is then used just as any other quick detailer you would apply to your paint surface. 2 or 3 spritz of the product on the panel or microfiber, wipe it in, and then wipe off to a streak-free finish. M2 Blast contains a very small amount of organics which are used to help and aid the coating. M2 does not add water behavior like most toppers or maintenance sprays. The main 2 ingredients in M2 Blast are going to help from etching of sodium and calcium, which are typically left behind from water spots. System X Renew is the recommended maintenance aftercare product for System X Max. This is a topper that will help prevent water spotting. It's simple to use, just wipe it on with a microfiber and wipe it off. Annual inspections are the recommended process for ensuring the coating is maintained and the care for the vehicle is properly executed. These annual inspections should be carried out by an approved applicator within 30 days before the anniversary date of the last service to ensure peak performance and that the warranty stays valid. Although durable and long-lasting, annual inspections ensure maximum gloss and protection from System X coatings. Ceramic Pro. Ceramic Pro Sport, like we're using here, is also commonly used on surfaces treated with CP9H in order to refresh their hydrophobic and UV resistant properties. To use this product, start with a damp microfiber with a couple of sprays into that microfiber cloth, wipe the vehicle down, and then use a second microfiber to finish drying the vehicle surface. Annual inspections, again, are the recommended process for ensuring that the coating is properly maintained. XPEL Fusion. After the wash, you can follow up with XPEL Ceramic Boost for added gloss. Recommendations on this product are to use it every 3 months. You can also use XPEL Detail Spray for any light cleanup or finger smudges. To uphold the Fusion Plus warranty, you must visit your Fusion Plus certified installer annually during the duration of the warranty. Here we're using Veros Ceramic Boost. It can be used as the coating topper. They recommend this for maintenance after iron decontamination at least once every 3 months or as needed. This product can be used in 3 different application methods. We used it by spraying a light mist on a microfiber, sprayed it evenly throughout the desired surface, and then flipped the towel to a dry side to polish out any residue. The Fireball aftercare products include Pirouette, Grace, and Nanocoat. We're going to be using the Pirouette. Start by spraying a moderate amount onto a microfiber and spread out left to right, then up and down, covering the entire panel. Pirouette, Grace, and Nanocoat are all spray on and wipe off sealants. Pirouette increases the depth of color and gloss appearance, and Grace creates an exceptional slick surface. Both products are going to boost hydrophobic properties. Work it into the paint evenly until it's almost non-visible. Flip the towel and continue buffing, and then switch to a fresh, clean towel, ensure that there is no remaining residue. Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra. Gtechniq carries an entire line of maintenance products that will solve any issues that you may encounter on the roads. Whether it's bugs, tar, water spots, or iron particles, their line is simple and easy to use. Recommendations for maintenance are as follows. Wash the vehicle as needed, use iron remover every 6 months, or if it's showing signs of iron on the surface, use C2 V3 liquid crystal as a maintenance spray topper every 6 months. Annual inspections of the coating is the recommended process for ensuring the coating is properly maintained and cared for. Glossit Evo Pro Ceramic Graphene. Use gloss enhancer or ceramic detail spray as a topper every 2 to 3 months. Ceramic detail spray should be used once a month in winter climates with exposure to salt and sodium chloride. We'll start doing that on this car once the snow starts to fall here in Chicago. For the 6 to 8 year warranty to remain valid, use Evo Pro Bodyguard every 20,000 miles or 2 years, whatever comes first. Geon Infinite. They recommend that a customer washes their vehicle at minimum every 650 miles or once every 2 weeks. Q2M Quick Detailer or Q2M Cure can be used as maintenance toppers for added gloss, slickness, and protection. To maintain the Infinite warranty, customers will be required to attend a maintenance service every 2 years or 15,000 miles, whichever one comes first. After the maintenance service is complete, the installer will inspect the coating for signs of diminished water beading and will make sure the coating is performing properly. Installers also check to make sure that the coating is not damaged from improper washing or from foreign substances that may have sat on the vehicle for an extended period of time. When a certified installer does the maintenance detail on an Infinite coating, the installer has the ability to top the coating with Gyeon Cancoat Pro Evo. Gyeon recommends that the installer tops the coating with Cancoat Pro every 2 years. IGL Kenzo should be cleaned with cleaners in the pH range of 3 to 9. Strong acids or alkalines should be avoided, and they're also unnecessary as neutral cleaners are generally sufficient to clean vehicles coated with Kenzo. They recommend using IGL iron at least once a month, and then use IGL enhancer after washing as a topper or drying aid on the vehicle. Use one towel to wipe and another towel to get rid of any streaking. SP3 Alpha. After the wash, you're going to use SP3 Maintain. The process is simple. You're going to work panel by panel, spray the panel, and then wipe clean. A secondary towel can be used to remove any of the remaining product. SPS Graphene. They want to make sure that you do not wax over this coating. It's unnecessary and wax will not bond to a coated surface. For maintaining your vehicle, they recommend using SPS Graphene Detailer as a maintenance topper. On average, this graphene detailer has the durability of up to 4 months of protection. Graphene detailer is super easy to use. Just wipe it on and then you wipe it off.
No, they said not to use it.
This?
Yeah, don't use it.
Don't use it.
Don't use it.
DuraSlic is about to release FlowX as an optional topper specifically designed to work with Extreme. We'll use that on our 6-month update video. At the time of this recording, OptiCoat was not recommending a maintenance topper product. After they reviewed the video, they are now recommending that we use HyperSeal as a topper to boost performance. We'll add that in at the 6-month mark as well. Finelab Detailer V3 is a super hydrophobic, durable, slick, glossy, spray-on, and wipe-off maintenance spray. This will provide additional protection to the coating and help the coating from water spotting. Angelwax Enigma. Enigma QED is used to extend the life of the coating and is very easy to use. Simply spray on a microfiber and apply to one panel at a time. And like a normal quick detailer, wipe away to a streak-free finish. This process will help maintenance, make it super easy, and prolong the life of the coating. I want to thank everybody for watching this 2-month update. We have worked so hard to put this together for everybody and deliver solid quality information. We love hearing all you guys' feedback in the comment section down below, and we would really appreciate it if you would like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.